Hey guys, so today we are going to keep practicing adding multiples of 10 plus one digit numbers, but we're going to use some linking cubes today. Now, you might have seen, we've seen linking cubes a ton. We've also seen base 10 blocks, which also be perfect for this. If you have dimes or pennies at your house, that could be perfect for this. You can also draw on paper or use things around your house to help you. But we're going to just keep practicing some more addition today. So let's get started. So here's our first problem 30 plus 5. Okay, now just to reiterate, as we have been learning more and more addition strategies, if you see that, hey, I don't really need this strategy because I can figure this one out really quickly, that's awesome. That's totally okay. This is just a way to give you more strategies and tools in your toolbox to help you solve them as the problems get a little bit more difficult. Okay, so we can count on from a 10 and then add ones to figure out our answer. So first, we're going to start with the number 30. So we're going to use three strands of 10, or looks like base 10 blocks as well, to show 30. And then from here, we're going to count forward or count on. So starting from 30, we're going to count on by 5 or 5 more times. So 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So that means that 30 plus 5 more would be 35. That is our answer. Now, again, we have our 10s, our 20s, and our 30s, and then we have our 5s. We're kind of like doing place value again. We have 3 10s, which is what we have for 30, and then 5 1s, which gave us our answer of 35. Yeah, we're going to skip on that one. All right, so here's another one. So now this time they flipped it on us. They gave us the base 10 or the blocks and the cubes, and then we have to figure out what the numbers are going to be here. So I'm going to let the little gray box go away for a second. So let's see. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 base 10 blocks. So we have 5 groups of 10. So we'll put that in the first spot. And now we got to do the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll put that here on this spot. So now we have 50 plus 7. And all we got to do is just count on from 50. So we have 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. And that gives our total of 57. Now let's try 70 plus 1. So here's 7 groups of 10 plus 1 more would be 70, 71. Easy. Here's this guy. Ooh, interesting. So they gave us some 10s and then the number or the one digit number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, plus 9 more. So 60 plus 9 is 69. Easy peasy. Because again, all we're doing is taking this one digit number and putting it into the one spot to give us our new number. Instead of being at 60, it's now 69. Ooh, this one's tricky. We have one pair of 10 or one group of 10 plus 4. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That equals 14. Ooh, that was kind of tricky, but we figured that one out. Awesome. All right. Now, guys, you guys are going to get a chance to practice on your own. And again, you might see some addition problems that might not be able to use the strategy, and that's totally okay. But now we know what a strategy looks like where we can use skip counting by tens to help us add on when we're doing addition and we have multiples of 10. Good luck.